Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the TD Ameritrade thinkorswim platform. TD Ameritrade thinkorswim is a comprehensive trading platform designed for active traders and investors. It offers advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and a wide range of order types. Their website provides details on its many features, including options analysis and backtesting capabilities. It's targeted towards those who want more control and analytical tools than basic brokerage platforms offer. Their website provides details on pricing, which is commission-based, and they clearly outline their fee structure. The platform boasts powerful analytical tools leveraging advanced technology, making it a strong contender compared to other platforms like Interactive Brokers or TradeStation. Availability is straightforward, it's accessible via desktop application. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the thinkorswim platform. Getting started was fairly straightforward. Downloading and installing the desktop application was quick, and the initial setup process guided me through connecting my account. The interface, while initially daunting due to its sheer number of features, is actually quite well organized once you spend some time familiarizing yourself with it. I found the charting tools exceptionally powerful. I particularly enjoyed the ability to customize charts with various indicators and draw my own trend lines. I used the platform extensively for options trading, and the analysis tools provided proved invaluable in helping me manage risk and identify potential opportunities. The platform performed flawlessly during my usage. I experienced no significant lag or glitches, even during periods of high market volatility. I had a quick question regarding a specific order type and their customer support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the built-in backtesting capabilities. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve. It took me a couple of weeks to become truly proficient with all the features. Also, the lack of a robust mobile app is a noticeable omission. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the thinkorswim platform. While it has a steep learning curve, the power and functionality it provides more than compensate for it. It's a powerful tool for serious traders. That's my overview of the TD Ameritrade thinkorswim platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.